having brought your furry friend home and being acquainted with how to socialize it, what to do with it. Now, in this video, we'll be telling you about how to choose the right puppy food and how to feed it so that your puppy grows very well and you are very happy with it. How to choose the right food for your puppy. So, uh, come with us and we will show you how and where from to choose the right puppy food. Okay. Puppy nutrition is important for proper growth and development of your puppy, right? So, we tell you the puppy nutrition basics. The key components of a puppy's diet include protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Pups should be fed balanced food, homemade versus commercial food. Yes, you can feed homemade food, but you have to prepare the homemade food. Select high quality, safe ingredients such as lean meats, chicken, turkey, beef, whole grains, rice, oats, vegetables, carrots, peas, and healthy fats, olive oil, flaxseed oil. Cook the ingredients thoroughly to kill any harmful bacteria. Avoid using ingredients that are toxic to dogs like onions, garlic, and certain spices. Don't feed dogs with raw potatoes, rotis, or cow milk. Vegetables like carrots, radishes, and beans can be fed to dogs in small quantities if they relish it. Now we talk about the commercial foods. Commercial puppy foods are formulated to meet the specific nutritional needs of puppies. They are available as dry kibble. Dry kibble is easy to store, handle, and serve. It doesn't require refrigeration and has a longer shelf life. And some dry kibble is designed to help maintain dental health by reducing tartar and plaque buildup. Dry kibble is generally more affordable than other options. Puppy should receive enough water if fed dry kibble. Then there is the wet food. Wet food has a higher moisture content which can help keep your puppy well hydrated. Many puppies find wet food more appealing due to its texture and aroma. The moist and soft consistency of wet food can be gentler on a puppy's stomach. However, wet foods have a shorter shelf life. Once opened, wet food must be refrigerated and used within a short period, making it less convenient for storage and travel. Then raw diets. Raw meat. This is the primary component of a raw food diet for dogs. You can include various types of meat like chicken, turkey, beef, lamb, and pork. Make sure it's fresh and of high quality. Avoid seasoning or marinating the meat. Raw bones can help keep your dog's teeth clean and provide them with essential nutrients. Opt for raw, non-weight bearing bones like chicken necks, backs, or wings. Never feed your dog cooked bones as they can splinter and cause harm. Organs like liver, kidney, and heart are rich in essential nutrients and should be a part of the diet of your dog. They provide vitamins and minerals that may be lacking in muscle meat. Raw fish can be a source of omega-3 fatty acids which are good for your dog's skin and coat. Make sure the fish is free from bones and other potential hazards. Eggs are a good source of protein for your dog. You can feed them raw or lightly cooked. Be sure to crush the shells for added calcium. Fruits and vegetables. While the main portion of a raw diet is animal based, some fruits and vegetables can be added for fiber and nutrients. Common choices include carrots, apples, and leafy greens. You might consider lightly steaming or pureeing them for better digestion. Dairy. Some dogs can tolerate raw dairy products like yogurt or kefir. These can provide probiotics and extra protein. Don't feed dogs with raw potatoes, rotis, or cow milk, except offering rotis in small pieces as treats. Vegetables like carrots, radishes, and beans can be fed to dogs in small quantities if they relish it. Now we talk of the different segments of the diet which are important. Puppies require higher protein levels, about 22 to 30% compared to adult dogs. Protein sources like meat, poultry, fish, and eggs can be used and should be used. Then the carbohydrates. Puppies need carbohydrates about 30 to 40% for energy. Carbohydrates like brown rice, sweet potatoes, and whole grains are suggested after being cooked. Then fats. Puppies require about 8 to 10% of fats in their diet for growth and development. Healthy fats like chicken fat and fish oil are good for your dog. Then minerals, especially calcium. Balance the calcium phosphorus ratios around 1 is to 1 to 1.3 is to 1 for proper bone development. Don't over supplement calcium as it can lead to skeletal issues. Recommended commercial puppy foods. Commercial dog foods such as Hills, Science Diet, Royal Canin, or Purina Pro Plan can be good for your dog. Read the labels on commercial dog food to choose the right one. Now, foods to avoid. Don't feed dogs with grapes, chocolate, and onions. These can be toxic to your dog, especially chocolates can be very toxic. Some few human foods like bread may not be best for your dog due to additives and high carbohydrate content. Cow's milk can be difficult for some puppies to digest and might cause diarrhea. Specially formulated puppy milk replacers should be used if necessary. The nutritional needs of dogs are breed specific, large breeds versus small breed, and you can read the dog feeding chart. Consult your veterinarian for personalized advice for feeding your dog. Now, where to purchase the puppy food? One can purchase dog food from both local pet stores and online stores. royalcanin.com/in, you can find them at Amazon. Check the expiry dates before purchasing any dog food. You can